This is what I'm talking about. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's been a hot minute. Like, I won't even lie, the last couple of weeks have been crazy. But if this is your first time here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dodos. Please, I would love to have you part of the family. Please hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be updated. I just woke up, I'm looking very ashy, my skin is looking very dry. So from the title of this video, I'm going to be reviewing the FENTY Skin new products. Guys, let me just tell you, my biggest challenge in this life is that I'm based in Nigeria. I love Nigeria, I love my country, but it's so stressful getting things out here. Like, it's just so long. Tell me why FENTY launched July 14th and it's taking me, what are we in? 20-something of August, over a month to get my products. Obviously, it's not a detailed review because I haven't, it's just like my first impressions and my first reaction and stuff, because I haven't used it at all. So once I start using it today, I'll get back to you guys in like another 1 month to really tell you how I feel about it. But let's jump into this video. I'm talking too much. Dun, taran, taran. It came in this super cute. Well, the box is just like a normal box, like, you know. But inside has FENTY Skin Beauty and it has the products in it. So first is the Hydra Visor Invisible Shield, and this is an invisible SPF 30. And the second is the cleanser. This is the total cleanser. And then third, I have the fat water as well from them. And so because I'm heading out today, I just thought, you know what, let today be the first day that I actually try this product and you guys see my reaction. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is, I have showered, so I'm just going to cleanse my skin, and I'm using the total cleanser. It says remove it all. Soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover all in one. Okay, I see that a lot of people do you hear the click? I just literally clicked it open, and I really love the packaging of this, by the way. I like the fact that it's not pink. I'm kind of over like pink looking packaging. Okay, I actually lost my sense of smell for like a couple of months now, so I hear that some people say it has a smell, so I can't really smell anything right now, unfortunately. So let's see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. The first thing I'll be doing is, I have already placed or put the products in my hand. I see that Rihanna wets her hand and then she literally goes into, I'm trying to make it lather. Okay. It has a very like silky, a silky texture, almost like, yeah, it has a very silky texture. I just did my lashes yesterday, so I'm not allowed to kind of like wash my lashes. I'm just massaging that into my skin. So I mean, up straight, I definitely see that or feel like the texture of this is really soothing, and I can feel it really like penetrating into my skin. I kind of see how this can be a makeup remover in one, because it kind of has like a gel feel. I don't know, but it just feels really good. My other face wash or cleanser doesn't feel like this. I actually use the Cosrx gel cleanser, and it doesn't feel like this for sure. I'll tell you guys that one. Use at night and in the morning to remove makeup, dirt, impurities, wet your skin. Ooh, I didn't wet my skin. So this is my face. It definitely feels really soft. It doesn't feel like it's been stripped of anything. It doesn't feel dry. It feels really hydrated. And also it doesn't feel oily. You know how sometimes you use like cleansers and either like they're extreme, either it's drying out or it leaves you feeling oily, like your face is not clean. My face still feels clean and it feels really hydrated. Now that my face is cleansed, I'm going to use the fat water. So this is a pore refining toner serum. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so toner serum, that means that, I mean, I'm going to imagine that the texture will be slightly thicker. So it says it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping the skin. Me, I want shine though. I realized I had to take this off. Earth conscious. That's right, we love a skincare line or a skincare brand that is earth conscious. Oh, so this also has the kind of thing that the gel cleanser has. So I'm just going to open that. That's so interesting. I love the fact that I don't have to open the entire lid, because that's what I was trying to do. I didn't realize that. So I'll just put some drops. Ooh, so this is the texture. I'm just going to do this and press. Wow, very lightweight. Feels like it just disappeared. I'm going to take some more. It's actually not as thick as I thought it was going to be. It looked a bit thick in the packaging, but it's not thick. It's just, I like to bring my skincare down my neck. Today I'm not going to do anything. I'll just be using the Fenty Skin product directly on my skin without using anything else, just so that I can really experience it and really get to know it, you know? It doesn't give me any shine for sure. It doesn't leave me with that sticky feeling. My skin just feels like really soft. So this is my skin now. As you can tell, I have very, very dry skin. Even if I would still need some hydration, if I'm being very honest, I would typically go in with like hyaluronic acid after this, because I feel like my skin is kind of already dry. So, but I'm not going to do anything because I've heard how amazing the Hydra Visor is. Hydra Visor SPF comes in here, and I'm just going to bring that out now. So this is what the Hydra Visor comes in. Really love this packaging, and the actual product is in here. For some reason I thought that this was the entire thing. I thought it was going to be this big, but it's not as big, and to be honest, I'm not mad. And this is the Hydra Visor Fenty Skin Invisible SPF 30. I'm just going to, yeah, there we go. This is the texture of the cream. I'm going to take some scoops and I'm just gently massaging that into my skin. Guys, this is really hydrating. I love what it's doing already. This is what I'm talking about. Can you see how dry my skin looks here? Can you see my skin now? Sorry, let's just take a second. This is what I've been looking for all my life. Guys, I'm sorry, I literally had to go quiet so that I could really experience this amazingness. Like, oof, I literally feel awake. And can you see that glow? And it's not oil, guys, it's not oil. Like, it doesn't look oily, it doesn't feel oily. Like, my skin just feels really soft. I have my visor on. What's on? Like, it definitely has a velvety finish. It is not sticky. Look at my hands. My hands are not looking oily. I love this product. This might actually be my favorite product in the entire collection. just because it does so much hydration for me. My skin looks alive, my skin feels good, and my skin is being protected from sun damage. That's what I'm here for. So I'm super excited about this. Like, big up to Rihanna, big up to Fenty. Please guys, put me on your PR list. I'm not even shy to ask. I need to be on the PR list of Fenty Skin, Fenty Beauty, Fenty everything. Number one, my favorite product so far is the Hydra Visor, followed by cleanser. I loved what the cleanser did. Still, the cleanser kind of reminds me of the Hydra Visor. It has a velvety finish. I also liked the fat water. However, I feel like it does what it says it does, which is basically to remove the shine. But for me, I kind of need the shine because I have very dry skin. But then it balanced out with the Hydra Visor, because Hydra Visor is so hydrating, so my skin is back to exactly where I want it to be. So I'm not actually mad at it. Like, honestly, will I buy this again? Yes. Am I in love? Yes. Would I do another review and tell you guys how I feel about it in the next month or so? I definitely will. So I couldn't order it on the website because on the night when it dropped, a lot of things were sold out. So I used a shipper. I'll put his Instagram handle here. So he basically ordered it for me, or rather he had ordered it before everything got sold out, and he shipped it to me in Nigeria. Now I don't know if Fenty Skin from the website actually ships to Nigeria. I'll find out and I'll put it somewhere. If not, then you can just send it somewhere and then have it shipped to Nigeria. So that's why it took over a month for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be sure to see you soon. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down and let me know what I can do better. And I'll be sure to see you guys in my next video. Bye.